Tell us a little bit about that story, mate, if you don't mind.
That was just last week. Okay, we're having some work done on our house, and for those that don't know, in Singapore, some people might be listening from Singapore. A lot of the people that do a lot of the labour-intensive jobs, the tradespeople here, tend to be foreign workers. And for me, it doesn't matter who you are. Like, they're here helping me in something. We've got a drainage problem, and every time it rains, which is quite often in Singapore, we get flooding at the front yard, and we've got a chicken coop, and the poor old chickens, end up with a swimming pool. And so, the company has organised to get these people around and come around. And it's just a thought. And when I say it's a thought I always act on, in that it's a stinking hot day outside, and I see there's about 6 guys there, and I'm driving out of the driveway, and I look over, and I had to go down to the local shop. I had to go to the bank and do some things. And just this thought was, I'm going to get them some drinks. Like, it's not an agenda. It's not like if I get them drinks, they'll do a good job. There's none of that. It's just this thought that I act on. And that is, I went into, the supermarket, cold storage, and I bought a whole bunch of drinks and stuff. And I just went along, and I just said, just introduced myself, said hello, and just basically said to them, really appreciate all you're doing. Just got a little, got some drinks. If you need anything, I'm just up at the house, let me know. Now, it feels good, but I don't do it because it feels good. I don't know why I do it, Dom. I think we just innately, maybe it's trained behavior. And it's not always easy, because not everybody appreciates it. And the thing is, it's not about getting the appreciation from it. That's something, I guess, in coaching is it. I've had conversations with people where I've told them things that they don't want to hear. They'll come back in a week or 2 weeks, but in that moment, there's tension, and I don't feel it, because I know that I've said what needed to be said, and trust that it's for them to see what they need to see. And people don't always like it. If you spend your whole life trying to be liked by others and be appreciated by others, you'll play a very safe game. That's my belief. So do it because you appreciate it, not because you want to be appreciated.